So today is Saturday. Have Chance out of the cage that we bought yesterday to let him move around a little bit. Get to using his legs. He's doing really well. He's kind of flapping every now and again. I had him outside all day yesterday in the cage in the shade to kind of get used to it. And then we let him out in the evening for a little while. So hopefully he will start to fly here before too much longer. He's definitely starting to learn. He's still kind of small for a grackle, but maybe that's just because I took care of him instead of a mama bird.